Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add date chips in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add date chips in Google Docs, go to Google Docs and open the document. Here in my document I want to add the date chips here. Just type @ if you want today's date, just type today, click on today's date. Look, that today's date is available here. If you want, you can change the date from here. Or if you want to change to previous date, just add date here. And if you want add time, just click on add time and just select the time and select time zone. Click on add time zone and then click on OK. And now click on got it. Look, now date time is set here. You can add date chips in another way. Just type @ and then type Monday. You can add Monday from here, any Monday from here. And another way, just type @ and type date. Click on date and you can add date from here as you wish, and also you can set time and also the time zone and click on OK. Click on OK again. Look, date and time has been added. This is the easiest way to add date chip in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.